For today's video is about virtual assistant, that how to become a virtual assistant. So you will then type here how to become a virtual assistant. Search it. So here are the ways. Here we'll see how to become a virtual assistant. So first of all, we have to know what is a virtual assistant. The first step in learning how to become a virtual assistant is to determine that it's the right position for you. Being a virtual assistant, also called a VA, means that you are generally a self-employed person that does administrative, technical, and sometimes sales or marketing tasks for a business. The virtual part means all of your activities can be completed online, allowing you to work from anywhere with a good internet connection. So, what services does a virtual assistant provide? Virtual assistant can be called on to do all kinds of duties for their clients. Sometimes you'll perform a few specific tasks just for an owner or manager. In other cases, you might play a vital role in primary business functions and feel like part of the team. Being a virtual assistant allows you to be flexible and experience many different kinds of environments, then focus on the ones you like best. So first step is general admin work, then second step is project management, then third step is bookkeeping, fourth one is billing and invoicing, then fifth content research, and number six blogging and writing, then number seven customer research, on number eight customer support, and number nine data entry. Data entry is generally a clerical work where you organize and type information. So 10th is e-commerce order management. Number 11 is email marketing. Number 12 is social media management. Number 13 is social media marketing. Number 14 is website management. Transcription is 15th. So how to do virtual assistant make freelance virtual assistants have a wide range in their salaries and hourly rates. For many basic jobs and skills such as data entry, you're likely to start in $8 to $12 per hour range. On Upwork, you will be able to find many of these jobs as you become a virtual assistant.